This is the HTC Wildfire S Take Apart Repair Guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover and the battery. Now, using a T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the 4 screws as shown in the video. Also be 1 small Phillips head screw as shown in the video. Step will be using a safe open pry tool to release the back housing. Simply glide it along the outside edges, releasing the clips. Also note that the power button and volume button will both come out. Set these aside until reassembly. With the board exposed, there will be 2 small Phillips screws that need to be removed. Remove the small piece of tape covering the 2 jaw connectors. Safe open pry tool or small flathead screwdriver. Release the 2 jaw connectors and remove the ribbons inside the connectors. Release the 1 small jaw connector located in the video. Final step for removing the motherboard will be to release the volume button flex cable and the power button flex cable. Be sure to do this, otherwise these cables will rip when removing the motherboard. It's now fully released, so using a safe open pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the motherboard from the rest of the phone. Peel back the touchscreen flex cable from the back of the LCD screen. You can now use a small flathead screwdriver or safe open pry tool to gently release the LCD screen from the touchscreen and front housing. Release the keypad flex cable from the bottom of the device. This is simply adhered into place. Now, use a hairdryer or heat gun to warm the outside edges of the touchscreen and front housing. This will warm the adhesive, making it easier to pry out. Use quick movements around the outside edges for about 45 to 60 seconds. Now use your safe open pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the touchscreen. If the adhesive is still strong, reheat the adhesive. Carefully work your way around all 4 edges, being careful of the touchscreen digitizer flex cable. Carefully feed the touchscreen digitizer flex cable through the housing. You can now replace the touchscreen digitizer.